Morning everyone, I'm going to do a short video today on SD1. I'm going to dig into these arches to see exactly how much filler is still left in them before it goes into the body shop. So, hope you enjoy this one. Don't worry, I'll time lapse through the grinding piece and so you can just get straight to the finished result. Right, so that's the back quarter with all the filler out. It's a pity they haven't welded in that wing, well, that arch section properly, and so it was flush with the top. Would have made life a whole lot easier. But at least it's there and it's not rotted, so that'll just have to be prepped again before paint. And the front one. Again, front one we replaced. There's just a whole load of filler in there which I've taken out. Looks like a bit of a dent there. We'll try and get that pushed out rather than just packing it full with more and more filler. So we'll take a wee look at the other side, see how we go on. Right, that's this one cleaned up, so come on, own up. Who's responsible for this one? never really seen an arch fitted like that, to be fair. Problem that we've got is this is all distorted in here. There's a big dent in there and there where that's been pulled in, so yeah, I'll need to make sure when it goes in for paint nobody thinks I actually fitted this one myself, because it's a bit embarrassing. Right, this one, front wing isn't too bad actually, so that's just the repair that I put in myself. So that wraps up today's very short, maybe a little bit boring but quite interesting video on how much filler was actually in the SD1. Hope everyone enjoyed it.